So today we will talk about difference between front end and back end, front end versus back end, how front end works and how back end works. Search for something on Google and one ends up getting multiple results to check. Once clicked, every result will open up into something beautiful, colorful, responsive and functional that catches the eye. It amazes us to see how very click on these results make changes as per our wishes. These beautiful things are called websites and building them up is known as web development. In term, web development starts to sound familiar because it has been one of the most trending skills to acquire for every person in the IT field. Web development is one of the most important part of IT as it helps build a bridge between consumer and provider, and of course it helps in making complex tasks automated through different functionalities. The integral part of web developments are front end and back end. What are these parts? Are they as dissimilar as their name suggests? How much does the functionality of a website depend on them? Is one of them above another? What is front end? As the name says, front end is something that a user can see, interact, and experience. It majorly involves programming or coding the parts of the website and applications that are visible to the user. The person who develops the front end is known as a front end developer. The worker of a front end developer is to build on the user interface and user experience design, which are the key elements of bringing design life. Key skills of a front end developer includes knowing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks such as AngularJS, Node.js, etc. Along with this, knowledge about the version control system like GIT and GIT Hub adds to their treasuries. A front-end developer is an imperative part of web development as they provide the structure needed for the feasible work. What is back-end? Backend is a backend developer is like behind the scenes of a movie or show in our case. The front end action can take the user are analyzed, fetched and delivered back by the backend through the code written. The person who develops the backend is known as the backend developer. The major work for a backend developer includes linking every aspect of the front end together and with the database. The primary skills of a backend developer includes knowing backend languages such as Python, Java, Ruby, etc. Other skills include a sound understanding of database management system (DBMS) and application program interface API. The back end is very crucial as it gives purpose of functionality to the beauty of an app or website. Thank you. Hope you like it. What is the difference between back end and front end?